to Putties and Pud. Today we're opening a washing machine set. Let's check this out. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. So that has motion, light, and sound. Super cool. Let's get this dream kitchen. Cool. I'm going to use this for my Barbie dolls. Remember to keep on washing. Woo! Where do we start opening it? So I got the washing machine, but there's more. There's a vacuum cleaner, a blender, a mixing thingy for baking cakes, whatever, toaster, and hold on a minute. No, this is the blender, and this is I'm not sure. But I heard rumors in the shop that this needs battery, but I hope they give us the battery. Okay guys, so I got the cardboard box out. Let's unbox this thingy. Okay, so first I got this really cute basket for the laundry or whatever, so they can hang the clothes and put their dirty clothes inside. Super cool. This looks a lot like my Shopkin basket. So now let's take out the hangers. So we got about 3 hangers. One is hot pink and 2 is pink. So here we got the iron thingy. I'm not sure what is it called. And here we got the ironing board, yeah. Super iron, so it can be really very super. So you just gotta put this thing in, snap it, and ta-da! And then you can just iron the clothes. And the coolest thing is the washing machine. Okay, I'm not sure if there's battery in there, but yeah, this is really cool. You could put real doll clothes inside. So, oh my god! As you can see, that they're adding water, so it looks real. Super cool. So I'm going to go see. Okay, I don't think there's any battery. Ugh. Can you open this? I got no idea what is this. Oh my, I'm not used to this. Guys, I just opened it. Okay, here you can put the detergent. Okay, I think this thing can really fit real water if it doesn't ruin the battery inside. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver. So guys, I can't really find my battery, so I'm just going to let Barbie try out her laundry room thingy. So here are her super iron. Okay, so the hangers will be right here. Okay, here comes Barbie. I'm going to wash my clothes. So I got my clothes. Time to wash it in the washing machine. I'm pouring some detergent. Psh. Perfect. Time to close it up. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, so while Barbie is waiting, she is going to do some things with the hangers. She's going to put the hangers up the washing machine, so it isn't so untidy. Beep 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 beep. Oh, looks like the washing's done. I gotta go get it. Okay, so Barbie has her clothing right here, and she's gonna hang it. Ugh. Okay, this isn't so bad, you know. I'm just gonna close this. Ugh. How do you close this? And then she's gonna just hang it. Hang it. Where should I hang it? Here. Yeah, just let it be there. A few days later. Yay, my clothes are dry. My clothes is dry. My clothes is dry. Oh, get it off my hanger. Time to iron my beautiful clothes. Okay, take this and iron. Iron. Yes, fun and smooth. Perfect. Now it's ready to be weared. Ugh. Anyways, guys, we will have to end this video. You could watch part 2. Part 2 is about this washing machine having music, sound, and I kind of forgot. It's okay. Keep on watching for part 2, guys. Don't miss it. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Please like and comment down below what color is your Barbie doll washing machine. Bye.